hayaan ang pag-inat ng katawan upang maranasan ang bagong lawak, ang bagong lapad. Kung ninanais ay maaring maglakad-lakad, maaring tignan ang lupa, lakad-lakaran ang mga bilog-bilog na ginawa. Bukan ang bigat sa inyong mga paa. Kanan, kaliwa, inat-inatin, bilog-bilugin, at hanapin ang gaang ng kanan at kaliwa. Tutok muna sa sarili at sa paglalakad at sa paghahanap ng pag-ingat. Kanan, kaliwa.
A source of love created by divine to shed light on everything I touch. I'm
Hanapin
grateful
lang
for where I am
sa
and who I have
paglalakad.
become. One.
Hanapin ang balanse sa kanan at kaliwa. Iugoy-ugoy lamang ang katawan sa kanan at kaliwa. Patayin ang CCTV sa utak at husga sa utak at hayaan maaring mga galaw ng pahaba o galaw ng pabilog lamang. Dahan-dahang lahukan ng hininga ng ginhawa. Gustong hininga ng ginhawa. Hanggang paloob. Huwag husgahan ng sarili o ang kapwa. Paalala na ang tunog at galaw ay ang lingwahe ng katawan. Hayaan siyang mangusap. Bukang ikot-ikutin lamang ang mga kamay, humanap ng alon sa inyong gulugod o spine. Alon. Alon. Mga letra na parang alon o letrang maaaring ibuka lamang din ang mga kamay upang tumanggap, upang lumaya. Iniimbitahan ko kayong palayain ang inyong mga katawan simula sa pagbuka ng mga braso na para bang niyayakap ang iyong buong pagkatao. Maari ring makinig sa dugundong ng tunog at ito ang sabayan. Pikit ang mga mata upang walang paghusga. Kung may mga bahagi ng katawan na pumipig, body to the smooth, sway, be softer and gentler. In a world that's harsh and sharp and doubtful, judgmental, I invite for your right hand down, palitin. Left hand up, right hand up, left hand up, right hand up, and allow for your hips to move with it. Right hand up, left hips, left hand up, right hip. Now allow, include your feet. Right hand up, left stomp, left hand up, right stomp, left hand up, right stomp, left hand up, right stomp. Now in forma, kanan, kaliwa, ibalik, ipadyak sa lupa, kanan, kaliwa, ibalik, ipadyak sa lupa. Yan. Depende sa inyong is maaring mas mabagal. Magtiwala sa inyong galaw, magtiwala sa inyong katawan. Hayaan ang pawis. Ito ay bahagi ng apoy sa inyong puso. Hayaan. Ipajak-pajak lamang. Ipajak-pajak lamang. Ipajak-pajak lamang at di tayo kanang kaliwa. Sama ang balikat. Sama ang balikat. Sama ang balakang. At ipajak. At ipajak ay palakpak kung nais. Ipalakpak, ipajak kung nais. Palakpak, ipajak. Hayaan. Iwisik. Dahan-dahang tumingin sa isa't isa at umiti habang winiwisik sa isa't isa. Hindi tayo laging nabibigyan ng pagkakataong gumalaw sa isang society na maraming bawal, na maraming inis, walang huhusga, walang bibig. Wala pong kwentuhan sa isang sarili mo na galawan ng kwento. Ikwento natin sa galaw. G! Ikwento sa galaw. Sa pahingang kaloob, ginhawa na may tunog. May tunog. Dahan-dahang palitin ang bilog. Palitin ang bilog. Palitin ang bilog. Palitin ang bilog. Palitin hanggang magtikit-tikit ang mga braso. Ngayon, sa lahat ng dumaloy na hinga, pagod, pag-iisip, ingay, galaw, iniimbitahan ko kayong regalo sa sarili ang pahinga. Pahinga at magpahinga. Pahinga. Ang pahinga ay kasi importante ng pagkilos. Regalo sa sana. Peaceful.
Masahe.
Masaya.
Okay lang, baka dalawa. Kung dalawa talaga, edi dalawa. Kayong dalawa, wala pa kayo sa Ayun. Ikaw din yung kamay mo. Ayun.
Pwede mas kilaw.
Kasama ba tayo lahat?
Lahat.
O mukha o ito? Right. Look at the camera.
1, 2, 3, everyone. Come on. 1, 2, 3, everyone. Okay.
Thank you so much. Official photography.
Sarili natin ang hinihintay natin. Tiyaya, bakit ba? Ano ba? Saan tayo patungo? Saan tayo patungo? Huwag mag-isip, huwag mag-isip, mag-isip.
Panpintigan, you developed it, right? And how did you come about?
It's a work in progress. It's from traveling and finding ease in my body also, because I've been immersed with movement, sound and movement, especially sound. Sound is the first thing about creation. Remember when we were born, even before we were made in our mother's bodies, yung unang nabubuo ay tenga at tunog. At sinasabi, we were all created from sound. Which wasn't said before. It was felt. And as babies, sound is the ear, the inner ear is the first thing that develops in our bodies. So sound is so important, sounding off. Why are Filipinos so into karaoke and videoke? Why do you think so? Sound. They just want to sound off. And with sound, I feel movement is just as important. Because like I was saying, in a world where you are required to be this and that, follow that, we become like robots, mechanical bodies.
Automatons, no?
Yes. And then we forget that our bodies can speak, and its language is movement. When we just follow, we don't allow our body to speak. Pintigan gives that space for the bodies to speak, for the mind and the soul to sound off, and to reconnect to your own beat and to the beat of the universe.
It's like going back to creation, huh?
Exactly. Creation and recreation, and also this, look at this, community. Every after session, people speak to each other. Because I feel somewhere along the way you've opened up a sound barrier, a movement barrier, and now you're comfortable with the community. And now you realize, I can speak, I can do things with the community. Remember when we started, everyone was just silent, waiting. Look at us now. And this is something I've been wanting to bring to anyone and everyone around the world, around the Philippines for now.
It's said that consciousness preceded creation.
Sound preceded.
Consciousness was sound, therefore.
Yes, I believe so. Yes, I believe so. Resonance. Vibrations.
Yeah.
Sound to vibrations in the body, to movement in the body. Yes, we have.
How about time-space? Do you think vibration can actually
Transcend?
Time-space?
It does. Like, you did not know who I was until the vibration called you in. You could have just said, no, I'm busy, I have other things to do, but why are you here?
Yeah.
My vibration and your vibration called each other. A lot were invited, but you were here, not them. Why? This is co-creation. Yeah, thank you for co-creating with us.
Yeah, thank you also for coming over and sharing the vibration with us.
Yes. Oh, yes, it's my honor. It's my pleasure and honor to do this.
Di malaman kung paano humugot Daliman ng sugat Panahon ang makakahilom Kung ang hapdi ay di mo kayanin Huwag matakot, tawagin, iyakin Okay lang yan Huminga ng malalim Huwag maapekto, huwag payayanin Go slow and I fall behind a second and unwind if you're lost you can look and you will find me time after time if you fall I will catch you I'll be waiting time after time if you're lost you can look and you will find me time after time if you fall I will catch you I will be waiting time after time time of your life ooh see that girl watch that scene digging the dancing queen Friday night and the lights are low Looking out for a place to go Where they play the right music Getting in the swing You can go look for a king Anybody could be that guy Night is young and the music's high If you beat rock music Everything's fine You're in the mood for a dance And when you get the chance You are the dancing queen Young and sweet, only 17
Chippy. Nice.
Young girls pick them everyone Oh, when they ever run Oh, when will they ever learn Where have all the boys long time passing Wherever the young girls go
No step is wasted in the journey, right, Rowens?
Narinig ka ni Rowan
Yeah.
lumapas.
Absolutely. We have friends. May mga kaibigan kami ni Rowens 10, 20 years ago who went on this wild shamanic path. This is a time and age of retribution. Oh my God, you're stripping. Okay,